benta ka sngi ka khatway tarik unaila haja phaulai ka Sorkar jala kala ai jingmanjor ya commit career sponsored courses ne ka jingleit pule Pyntbit bala baiting ka da ka Sorkar na ka benta ki Ophisar babat ya ka kardan ka bahe Khnang bakin Kham shampang bat bana ban Shakri Khambha Shuh ya ka jala ka kanhun menteri kalayakaran ya commit career sponsored courses na ka benta ki he Ophisar jong ka All India Services Meghalaya Civil Service Meghalaya Police Service Forest and Finance Service Makinang penpro Biang bat ban penjana ya kajingla Shakri ki Ophisar jong gajala kabalong kongsan ha kajing trekam ha bring ki bor sanshar sain perthei bat ki ba uba pol ulay thu ba kajing kran ka Sorkar kala rai ru man penchulur bat ai kajing mentoy ya ki Ophisar ba kidang petengi kajing lait pule Pyntbit ha ki university ba pher ki ba ai ki degree ba diploma courses ka ba kham he kardan bat ya ki ne anshim da ki Ophisar jongi khlam na pendeko pat ya ka kam kabamut bakin omshim satya ya kanu ke shuti hakapor baki dangdon hakajing shahikai Pyntbit
deliberated on a few important issues and items, and because the Chief Minister has got a very important task ahead, he has to leave immediately. So we'll be briefing on behalf of the government of Mainland. First is we took up the matter of toning up and upscaling the efficiency of the bureaucracy of the state, which is a very important link between the political executive and the public. So in order to facilitate that kind of facility training, today the cabinet took up the item of mid-career sponsored courses for senior level officers belonging to All India Services, MCS, MPS, MFS, Forest Service and Finance Service. In the course of the discussion, we decided that we will encourage and incentivize our officers to continue learning by pursuing courses at various universities which provide higher degree and diploma courses, and these will be undertaken by our officers without any dislocation from work, meaning that they will not be taking any leave in the course of the training. There will be no study leave. They will be in a position to undertake such courses in the weekends or post office hours, and these courses have been identified. For example, MBA for working professionals offered by IIM Shillong, Masters in Public Policy, an online course offered by the OP Jindal Global University, C Professional Certificate Programs in Data Sciences and AI offered by Indian Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore, or University of Maryland, again an online course. Then there's a PhD program for working professionals offered by IIM Shillong, and part-time PhD for working professionals offered by Jindal Global Law School and IITs. E. Executive Fellow in Management or PhD in Management program offered by IIMs. So to incentivize these officers, the state government has agreed to a proposal to fund the tuition fees for the program up to a limit of rupees 15 lakhs, for which there are conditions tied to it. For example, the officer should have at least 7 years of service left, should undertake the course on a part-time basis without any study leave, and every year up to 3 officers who gain admission to a course of study approved by the government will be sponsored by the government As I said, the cap is 15 lakh tuition fees, and it'll be available to all India services, Meghalaya Civil Services, Police Services, Forest Services, and Meghalaya Finance Service. And there will be a committee headed by the Chief Secretary to review and approve applications of such officers.